guys, hello pretty people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you're highly welcome to my channel. Actually, in this platform, what we normally do here, what I normally talk about here, I normally talk about home remedy, how you can use home remedy to maintain your skin, to take care of your skin, to take care of yourself, how you can use home remedy to maintain your figure. Okay guys, how you can use home remedy to get rid of all those blemish, all those acne, wrinkles, dark knuckles, and how you can use part of the home remedy to tie your husband down. So guys, if you want to know more about this video, if you want to know more about this channel, please go to my playlist. Please don't skip any of them. Watch them from A to Z, then you can understand what I'm talking about on this platform, guys. And if you want to know more about Becky, you can go to my About channel and you can read about my biography, where I am from, how many children I have, where I'm at, and so on and so forth. If you're happy with what I'm doing here, please click the subscribe button, share my video with your neighbor, with your close friend, your casual friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your neighbors, and don't forget to click the notification bell in case if I have any new video, love, you'll be the first person to see the video. Now I am blinded, so in today's video I have 3 home remedy that is going to help you to grow your hair. What are these home remedy? This home remedy, actually I'm going to be using ginger. Ginger is very good, it's full of antioxidants, okay, and antibacterials, all right, antifungals, which is good for our inner. You can, if you are pregnant, if you are expecting a baby, it's very good for morning sickness too, okay guys. And we are going to be using ginger juice to grow our hair. So we need ginger and we need lemon juice, and I'm going to be using Jamaica castor oil. Okay, so those are, and I'm going to be using my favorite oil that has been helping me to grow my hair. My hair can't just stop growing, especially the hedge. My hedge is falling like a leaf, like a dry leaf. So this black seed oil really helped me to grow my hair. So guys, don't let us waste time. I would like to bring you guys to my kitchen where I'm going to demonstrate how we're going to be mixing this and apply it to our hair. Our hair will be growing. To my kitchen, guys, let's go straight to the remedy. The first ingredient that we're going to be using is ginger. Ginger is a great hair conditioner, rich in minerals and essential oil. It makes hair more manageable, soft and shine. Ginger is a useful remedy for dandruff and dry, itchy scalp. It contains natural anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that help keep scalp healthy and clean. Guys, the second remedy that we're going to be using, we need eggs. Eggs are power packed with proteins, minerals and B complex, vitamins that are essential hair nutrients. These nutrients, especially biotin, that other B complex vitamins, help cause hair loss by strengthening the roots of your hair. The nutrient also helps stimulate new hair growth, adding volume and thickness your hair. The proteins help strengthen your hair while the fat help conditioner it, improving hair texture. Ingredient that we need black seed oil. Black seed oil has anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral and analgesic property that work efficiently towards maintain scalp health. It effectively deals with issues like dandruff and sooty skin. So guys, the final ingredient that we're going to be using for this home remedy for our hair growth, we need lemon. We need lemon or lime. Lemon are rich in vitamin C, which improve the rate at which your hair grows by boosting the production of collagen. Lemon has antifungal property that help maintain scalp health. It controls the production of oil in your scalp. Lemon juice also helps stimulate regrowth from dormant hair follicle. I'll be needing my small tiny knife. I need to take the skin out of this ginger. So we need ginger. You can get 3 or 4 ginger. All we need from this ginger, we need only the juice from the ginger. So I'm going to be blend it smooth like milk, and I'm going to extract it very well. And all I need from it, I only need the juice from the ginger, guys. So carefully peel it and mind your hand, mind your fingers. Okay guys, you don't need to rinse this. Okay, when you are rinsing this, you are taking away all the vitamins. So guys, I'm actually fine. I just want to get rid of this, so never mind that, can still manage that. So you need to dice this, okay? Dice it carefully. Now, to be very easy for my blender to blend it very smoothly and sufficiently. So you need to dice it this way. You don't need to add water. That is why we are using the that is the reason why some people actually blend it with the skin. You can also blend it with the skin, but I decided to just use the inside of it. Okay, you can also blend the skin. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay guys, I only need half of this lemon. Okay, that should be okay for us guys. Mind your hands, mind your fingers. Really have to be careful. Carefully take the seed out from the lemon or lime. Okay guys, I think that is okay, and we keep this for later. And I'm going to show you. I need to take this out finally, eventually, and you have to squeeze this. See, remaining one tomorrow morning to rub your face to get rid of the dark to help you to get rid of the acne. I'm going to keep this for tomorrow morning. I'm going to massage it around my face. It will help me to get rid of my acne, fine line, dry cell, excess oil from my face. And guys, egg white, okay, you really have to be careful when you are breaking this. Sometimes it's not funny, so you have to be careful. Wish me all the best. I might get it wrong, but believe me, I will use my spoon to scrape it out. So okay, I think I'm getting it. So thank God. Sometimes the yolk himself, the yellow yolk, will just come out. So you have to be careful. There's always other alternative. So this is other alternative I found. You can use your spoon or your knife to stop the yellow yolk to come out. We only need the whites of the egg. We only need the white of the egg, we don't need the yellow. So if you really have dry scalp, I will advise you to just mix both yellow and the egg white together, okay? But my scalp is mild, so I don't, so you have to dilute this together with your ingredient, the one you've already have. Okay guys, so I'm going to blend them together. Beneath 1 teaspoon of black seed oil. Okay guys, black seed oil is optional, but I just decide because black seed oil works for me. It helped me to grow the edge of my head back, so you need to add this to it. Okay guys, so don't mind my baby bowl, and you add it to the nutrient, you add it to your nutrient bullet bowl. So that's it guys, so let's blend it them together. You only need the juice, okay guys, don't worry. So we are going to be applying this to our hair. You have to be careful. Dip into your freezer and leave the rest, the one you want to use, within 1 week. Within 1 week into your fridge, and you keep applying them. We don't need all this anymore. So that's it. So guys, you can see the consistency. So those are the juice from the ginger from all our mixture. This juice will work well. This is what we need. So actually guys, divide this into 2. Put the part that you know you'll be using for the whole week, put part of them into the fridge, put the rest into the freezer. Whenever you need it, you defreeze it and you apply it to your scalp, to the area that you have problem with, the weak area or where there's no hair. I believe that it will generate another hair for you. Don't worry, keep using it, okay? And treat this with my daughter, because it's going to plait his hair tomorrow, so I'm going to use part of it to Sarah's hair, okay? I conditioner my daughter's hair. Can you hold that for me, Sarah?
Yeah.
Thank you. Sarah, do you want to say something for me?
Well, hello, this is my mom's channel. Please click the subscribe button and like and comment.
Okay guys, this is how I used to do it for Sarah. As you can see, the front of Sarah's hair is so full, and I'm going to be applying step by step because I'm going to plait the hair tomorrow. So tomorrow is Saturday here in Ireland. So as you can see guys, Sarah, please imagine it. I'll be using this home remedy for Sarah for ages. As you can see, my baby hair so full and shiny. This is what it's going to do for your hair or for your daughter hair. Okay, it's home remedy. It doesn't damage children hair or whatever remedy you are using for your hair. Try to apply it also for your own child, and you will see the results. And you can see my daughter hair is full, it's bouncing, and it's long. You can see the length, and I will show you when I apply it finish. And I'm going to use one hand hold this camera here, and I will start massaging it here around the edge of Sarah's hair. Sarah, sorry pet. Scalp, get rid of dandruff, all the dry hair. So guys, you can see all the tangle is going to detangle the hair too, and you have to leave this overnight. You can see the comb, and please be careful when you are desire. If you help you to grow your hair, help me to share my video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and I hope this will work for you. See you guys, stay blessed. Bye for now, guys.